What's up, folks? Another day, another live stream. Today is going to be a quick one. As you can see, we are a little late today. It's already 11:20 a.m. That's the trade that I was tape reading for today. I also posted this trade when price was above in here. I posted this trade on my Discord. I said tape reading, guys. Didn't take this trade. Why? Perfect setup. Perfect. My model. Perfect. But I mean, fair value gap entry. Look at this huge stop loss. Ah, bruh. I mean, best case scenario stop loss here, and that would have been 100 points, which equals $200 risk, and I don't risk $200 normally on my trade because I want to risk 1% max, and this would have been 2%. So the only stop loss that I could have allowed myself to do is like this one, 50 points. Why 50 points? I would risk half. I would risk 1%. 1%. I would risk my full risk of 1% because high time frame is bearish, and we have an intraday bearish order flow and intraday bearish trade. So everything's in alignment. Perfect setup. Look at this beautiful trade. That would have been $100 risk in order to make 6 times that. So $600. I would have made $600. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate that the volatility is that crazy, but yeah, I mean, what should I do? I gotta be honest, I also got a little bit distracted, so I wasn't really concentrated. I had to do some calls, and yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't really tape read this entire session and be concentrated, and therefore, I just tape read it. Didn't want to take a 1% loss. Why not even having it analyzed correctly, you know? So yeah. Quick review of this trade. So let's go back to the daily chart real quick. I don't know, it's like live stream goes another like 5 to 10 minutes or so. So yeah, Tuesday, traded up into fair value gap, bodies respected, new week opening gap, institutional order flow entry zero, relatively equal lows. Already got taken yesterday, but we want to see a continuation lower. If you want to see a more in-depth high time frame analysis, then definitely rewatch Mondays and Tuesdays live stream. So yeah, there I'm going to I was talking more about the daily chart and gave you an in-depth higher time frame analysis. So that's just a quick review. 15-minute chart. We took out London high in here, so let's activate this indicator. So here you can see all the kill zones. So we took out oh, sorry. Oh yeah, no, I'm right. Okay. So we took out overnight relatively equal highs in here. Perfect turtle soup. Pre-market high taken, London high taken. So perfect. That's an A plus setup. I don't know when I've seen that kind of setup the last time. It's, I guess, like 1 or 2 weeks ago. So that's not really there in the charts like every day. So okay, that's actually the setup that I've been waiting for the entire week. I called it Monday and Tuesday. I said I don't want to take any trades in here, and I said I want to wait for the market to be in alignment with the high time frame. Okay, so I wanted to see bearish order flow, to see the intraday order flow be in alignment with the high time frame order flow. So high time frame bias is bearish. Obviously today's bias was also bearish. So that's the trade that I was looking for all week long. But I gotta be honest, I also bought me a new PC today, so I was busy with getting that set up correctly, and then yeah, unfortunately I got distracted, and wasn't able to be there on time. So that's why I missed this beautiful. I called it Monday and Tuesday. So it's kind of sad. It's kind of unfortunate, but the market is there every day, and the concepts work. Okay, they don't stop working today. Okay, so tomorrow is another day, and yeah, the one thing I'm kinda yeah, I don't know, maybe thinking too much about is the volatility. Because we could expect even higher volatility the following days. Okay, so and I don't know how I should actually participate in the market when we have this kind of volatility, bro. Because yeah, I mean that's a very very tight stop loss. Okay, like in terms of market structure. But in terms of volatility in points, it's like 50 points. 50 points in a normal volatility market, bro, it's just a huge stop loss, and market structure, that's just a safe stop loss, 50 points normally. But in this scenario, I mean, yeah, that's a valid stop loss to place, but I would have preferred it maybe here, ideally here, okay? So, yeah, let's see where volatility is going to take us. I don't know. I hope it's not getting too crazy, because I don't want to have no 200 point stop loss. Then I definitely got to think about my risk management model, and maybe change up my risk management, and maybe say, yeah, okay, I risk 1% on a normal trade, and then on a really high probability trade I risk 2%. That's that's in the discussion. That's a discussion for another day. So we'll see. But yeah, I mean, really obvious trade setup today. That's the trade that I was waiting for all week long. So yeah, kind of unfortunate, but I'm 2 years into the trading process, trading journey, and you get used to it. Yeah, it's not the only high probability setup. Tomorrow is PPI, and yeah, usually after PPI, there's also some beautiful setup waiting for me. Okay, so tomorrow's another day. My new Mac is set up. My new desktop PC is set up, so everything is fine. And yeah, now you can definitely expect you know, some more live streams, and yeah, we've seen. So for the rest of today, we have really nice looking relatively equal lows in here, pre-market session low. So that's a beautiful draw. Uh, I really don't like that we retraced after taking this low. I've preferred price to just dump lower and immediately go for these lows, but that's permissible, definitely. So we'll see. That's still the way to go for me. My bias is still pre-market low. So yeah, that's already it for today, guys. I just wanted to have a brief review of today's New York session, combined with a quick high time frame analysis, and yeah, my thought about um, my thought and 2 cents, about today's trading session. And that's basically it. Called it before on Discord. Okay, so if you wanna have more like in-depth analysis, and yeah, more, if you wanna be part of a Discord channel that consists of ambitious traders, that want to push each other, to the limit, to get profitable, and maybe even create some friendship, then definitely check out my Discord channel. Link is in the video description and in the bio, so you know where to find me. Discord channel is absolutely for free, so check it out. Looking forward to see you guys, and hopefully, God willing, we see each other tomorrow. Be safe, guys, and yeah, I catch you in the next one.